I probably should get a lockout and a lockpick. Just go grab my reach tensor and. Zelda.
So welcome to Unit 6. And Unit 6, we're going to be doing topics that relate, of course, to everything else we've done in AP Calculus. And I know
But
that
minus
you're very
x.
familiar
There is
with
no
this
exit,
word.
so I got a minus from here. But how do I get down there to get it?
Our
That's the
lovely
question.
G word in calculus, the derivative.
Like, keep y.
And in this lesson, I want to talk about something called a slope field. And this guy's name, you might think
Go back to the mill.
it's actually
And
pronounced
you got the
Euler.
skid steer pawn guy and
Edmund
jumping for
Euler,
king.
That's how I remember how to say his name.
Slope field.
But
Oilers.
method
I talk about the Oilers angling angle in my
changes in y.
Ouija
We'll
board.
talk about that on page
And
3.
B,
but today,
that slope, it
let's
kind of
start
gets you
off
the
with
angle.
something called
You
the
see the
slope.
saw, there's a program, there's
So
a
what is
terminal
a
to
slope
it, there's
field?
ditch, there's
Well,
dimensions.
really, it's
Like,
just a
it's like
graphical
it's not really in the
representation.
program, but if you trip in the
So we're gonna
ditch,
be drawing graphs
the slope
of a set of
changes
slopes obtained
to how
from a
fast you were
differential
going.
equation. Remember, the
And
differential
therefore, if
equation is
not
just that
magnetic
dy dx
fields,
thing.
drunkard walk
And that's
problem
what we're going
in
to
the
be
core of the
trying
sun.
to graph out. Not the original graph, not y equals to, but dy dx. And that's the idea. So,
I don't even
if
know.
you cannot
I don't even know, to be honest.
we can
I
still use the
a
differential
7 for the
equation
Laplacian.
slopes of a function. So example number 1, look what I've told you here. I've got this equation.
All of these. They are all of those. Because it is that, you can't give me that it's 3 or 2 or 1. These things would be hydrogen. These things, negative 2? You crazy? Electron, subatomic field, the electron, neutron, and proton. Somewhere's in here. You got 2 parts, 33 and a third. Well, this would be 5 parts, 1/5 of the total in the black hole to mass. And this could say it's 3 parts spin, 1 part charm. And if it is right now, yeah, from here, it would be 0. Maybe 1. You could get to 0 or 1.
And interestingly enough, that is just
Not having it.
equal to 1.
Not
So,
having it.
if I asked you now
JFM
to
method.
actually plot these points, and I think that's what example number 2 is about, at the specific values, you've got 3, 2. So look, at 3, 2, that's this
Slope
point
field.
right here.
Go out there and look at
What
it.
should the slope be? It's like negative.
I'm going to run
3
you
half.
into the ground
So how do I
on a
show
flat
negative 3 half
plane
slope? Well,
infinitely
remember,
across the
m equals
universe, and
0
we're going to
is
hit
a
that
flat
slope.
line.
We're going to
M
graph it.
equals to 1, you've got kind of like a 45-degree line. If m equals to negative 1,
Well,
it's
there
a
you are. The
negative
difference
slope
is now you're running it,
line.
or you're the drill
This
sergeant
negative
conducting it.
derivative was steeper
They
than
are
a
the same job,
45-degree
but
line
different.
That's negative. So I think probably
E1 to
something like
E0, or E0 to E1.
from this point here.
E2 to E8. Just make the
At
jump.
negative 1 and 3, that's this point. Notice the slope here is kind of flat.
Take him down.
And then you see at negative 2, negative 1, that's this point right here.
That's a 7 by 7.
The slope is very steep, so that's negative 2. And then at D, 2, 2, so that's over here. Notice that I need to now.
You could say that that is 4.
Okay. Oops, I forgot to answer this question. Why can't you find slopes when I equals 0? Think back to good old times in grade 10 and 11 math.
So how many are you
Yes,
dead right now?
Can't divide
Why?
by
Because 0.
0.
Come in here, put you all to sleep. You haven't started
Okay,
kicking.
number 2,
You're not
I'm asking you to
bitching.
plot
You're telling me Mario's out here supposed to find
for
0.
all these
Okay, well it's
dot
right here.
points
What,
on
now
the
what?
coordinate plane. So you see how these dot